Welcome to Little House in Southwoods. Today, I'm going to show you how to make easy, cheesy bacon quesadillas. To start, spread about 1 tablespoon of ranch dressing over each tortilla. Sprinkle 1/3 cup of shredded cheese over half of each tortilla. Top with chili peppers, green onion, and crisp cooked bacon. Fold tortillas in half, pressing gently. In a skillet or griddle, cook quesadillas 2 at a time over medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes, or till lightly browned, turning once. To serve, cut quesadillas into wedges. If desired, serve with salsa. Enjoy!